Right, demonstration of how to start the HY3000si or 2000si generator when you take it out of the box and receive it. As you can see, the two generators are virtually identical, other than the numbers and figures on the front panels, and the procedure is the same for both. So for this I will just use the 3000, but if you have the 2000 model, it's the same procedure for the both. Okay, right, let's turn. The first step of the procedure will be to fill it with oil. A bottle of oil comes with the machine. It's a 1540 grade oil. Also with the machine, when you receive it, will be a spark plug spanner, 12-volt battery charging lead, small bottle of fuel additive. This is enough or sufficient for 10 litres of fuel and is basically a preservative. A caravan adapter lead, full manual, an oil draining tube and a screwdriver. So, first stage would be to use a screwdriver to remove the side panel. And we'll put that to one side. Right, as I was saying, we're going to fill the engine with oil. This is the filler plug, and it is also the drain plug should you ever need to change the oil. It comes out through this hole. So I shall tip the machine back and remove the filler plug. You take your 1540 oil and fill with engine oil. Should be enough. The oil level will be right to the top of the threads when the engine is just about level. There we are, it's just about to pour back out. I don't know if you can see that there, and it's almost level. Right, having put oil in the machine, we'll go through a few of the controls. There are two switches on the control panel. To start the machine, they can both be in the on position. One is the engine start stop and the other one is the efficiency switch. In fact, that's the efficiency and that's the engine. But if they're both in the on position, that's absolutely fine for starting the machine. Next step would be to put fuel in the machine. Open the fuel flap and remove the filler cap. And then fresh unleaded petrol. You can use the additive provided. If you know you're not going to be using it very often and the fuel may be in the machine for some time, then you can use the additive, which is a preservative. There we are. Won't put too much in for the purposes of this. Replace the filler cap and close the flap. Right, fuel tap. Pointing vertically downwards is on, horizontally is off, so we need the fuel on. And the next job would be to prime the carburetor. With a new machine from empty, this could take probably 60-70 pushes, because the fuel has to come from the tank, through the pump, through the filter and fill up this bowl which is the carburetor. But you can see the fuel is now beginning to fill the filter. That should probably be enough. Right, the choke position on this machine, as you look at it from this way, that would be the start position and that would be run. So to the left to start it, to the right once it's running. So we'll put it to the left. Right. So our fuel tap is on, our choke is set, we have fuel and oil, both these switches are on. Now we can attempt to start the machine. Pull the pull cord until you feel resistance, then back in and swift pulls.